The hell?
The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hancock County and central Kentucky until 5:15 a.m. At 3:08 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2.5 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. This is radar indicated correct. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Hawesville, Cabot, Goring, Weberstown, Easton, Belleville, Arrington Corner, Victoria Crossroads, Dukes, and Peaceville. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 a.m. for the following counties: Hancock, Kentucky,